Hey guys, so I'll make a video because I'm still on PJ. I don't fucking care what you say in the comments. Comment down below. I don't fucking care. I do it on summer break. I don't know wait this up, okay? On weekdays, okay? Okay, bro? Well, that's I'm going somewhere young with yourself or whatever. Do you hear that, guys? My toilet sounds like it sounds like a creak. You hear that? It's like. That's someone with like some plans, though. That's my toilet. Yeah. I'm gonna do better because nothing interesting in my life. My life freaking sucks. Why am I keep looking at myself when I like do the camera? I gotta get used to this. I gotta like look at the actual camera like right here. Now myself, like I'm doing right now. But yeah, I gotta get used to that. Like honestly. What? Oh, every time I like look so far, I always look at myself. Like, okay, I did it. Thank gosh, this is so hard. What if that was there? That was like moving in the night, but I thought it was moving, but from sort of ghosts. Cause yeah, you used to have ghosts where I used to live. And it's freaking terrifying, bro. I was scared. It sounds like lava, like. Yeah, that's why I'm gonna make a video about that, because I'm bored. I don't want to record. Everything my life is boring. I can do vlogs live, okay? I can't do that. My life is so boring. No one will like that. No one will enjoy that video. See, you have to find enjoyable content for YouTubers. No one's gonna like it, like, oh. Being at a zoo, I mean, that's cool. But something interesting is going on. I don't like it. I'm gonna dislike this video. But yeah. Yeah, YouTube sucks, man, but whatever. I can't look at my